so today we're going to talk about variables and data types. Hopefully you know what a variable is by now, from your maths lessons. If you don't, then maybe you'll remember algebra, 2x plus 5 equals x, whatnot. Find what x is. The x is a variable, okay? The x is a placeholder, essentially, and that's literally what variables are in programming as well. So let's take a look. All right. So say I want x, okay, and I want x to equal 5. That's wrong. That's going to give me an error because Java wants to know, okay, well, what the hell is x? What kind of data is x? And this tutorial is not only just variables, but also data types, right? Now, there's types of data in Java and most programming languages, right? And so 5 would come under the data type integer. Alright, so x is an integer. That's 5. We're going to create a new integer. We're going to call it x, and it's going to equal 5. It doesn't have to equal 5. It can equal absolutely nothing for now. It doesn't have to equal anything. But we're going to have equal 5. We're going to go system.out.println, and you can print out variables. Just pass it in. However, don't remember, if you put speech marks or quotation marks, it will literally print x. However, if you remove those, then it's going to know, oh, okay, you want the variable x, right? Then it'll print out 5. You see where I'm going with this? Hopefully. Now, other types of data include byte, short, long, float. Those are the numerical data types. I'm going to go through them all. So, a byte, I believe, has a minimum and maximum of minus 128 all the way to 127. A short, that's again numerical, has a range from minus 32,000 to plus 32,000, something like that. Integer, I think it's like the range is like minus 2 billion to plus 2 billion, something like that. And long, longs are very long. Float, yes, I must stress, integers or bytes or shorts, any of those, you can't have decimal numbers. Because an integer is a full number, a short is a full number, a byte is a full number. It's not going to like it. So, what do I do for a decimal? You make it a float. Alright, that's still going to give me an error. Why? Because you need to make it 5.4f. Alright? There we go. You've got your decimal. But I believe float, I don't remember the range of floats. But if a float is too small for you, then you can get a double. Alright, those are the two types of data with decimals, numerical data with decimals. So, there are non-numerical data types, such as a boolean. Now, boolean is just like, no, I don't like numbers. No. Boolean has two values, true or false. So, you're sitting here thinking, x, okay, well what the hell is it going to print? It's literally going to print false. Alright? But this is most commonly used for testing things, so like, this could be is colliding. I'm not going to do this. If, is colliding equals true, then destroy the player or whatnot. As I'm going through teaching you programming, I'm going to be teaching you, as well, how these things relate to game development as well, so don't worry. So there you go, boolean. Simple enough, right? Last of all, actually not last of all, we've got char, which is a character. Okay? I'm going to go back to x. And that's going to be like, nope, I want one thing. Just one single character. You're familiar with characters. And you're actually going to have to wrap these around with, we call these quotes. Quotation marks. In the UK. No idea what Americans call them, but yeah. And yeah, you can literally put anything in there, and it'll be fine with it. Yeah. It's going to be fine with it. And last of all, string. String, you need double quotes, or speech marks. Alright, and there we go. And string just supports anything, just, why not? And there we have it. hopefully you have a good understanding of variables now, variables and data types in Java. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Just make sure they're not stupid questions, otherwise I won't answer them. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this and learned quite a bit. I suggest leaving a like and a comment. So if you haven't already, subscribe. Have a fantastically brilliant